Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best makeup kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring makeup artist or beauty enthusiast, offering a comprehensive collection of products designed to create a multitude of looks, from subtle everyday elegance to dramatic evening glamour, ensuring you have everything you need right at your fingertips to express your creativity and enhance your natural beauty with professional-grade quality and versatility. Number 5. Laura Geller New York Baked Balance-n-Brighten Foundation. Discover the award-winning foundation that's a favorite for a reason. It's designed to give you a flawless complexion. Experience the luxury of Italian craftsmanship. Each one is carefully handmade to ensure the highest quality. Achieve the perfect amount of coverage you desire. It blends seamlessly for a natural, skin-like finish. Enjoy a beautiful matte look that lasts. It helps control shine without feeling heavy. Specially formulated for mature and sensitive skin types. It feels comfortable and looks radiant all day long. Find your perfect match with our shade 01 Porcelain. It offers a light, bright tone for a luminous complexion. What we like? This foundation is handmade in Italy, offering a unique, baked formula. It provides buildable coverage with a natural matte finish, perfect for mature or sensitive skin types. If you have delicate skin or are looking for a natural, non-cakey base, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The eyeshadow palette has a good mix of matte and shimmer shades, offering versatility for different looks. The brushes included are surprisingly soft and blend the makeup evenly without streaks. The packaging is sturdy and compact, making it convenient for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. Number 4. Aesthetica 16-Piece Brow Contour Kit. Achieve flawless brows with our comprehensive 16-piece makeup palette. It includes everything you need to shape, fill, and perfect your arches. Experiment with 6 rich brow powders and 5 stencil shapes to find your ideal look. The included spoolie and brush duo ensure precise application every time. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience. It comes with tweezers for grooming, brow wax for hold, and a highlighter to accentuate your brow bone. Creating beautifully defined eyebrows has never been easier. Get salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Looking for a unique gift for her? This elegant brow contour kit makes a thoughtful and practical present for birthdays or any special occasion. What we like? This comprehensive brow kit offers everything you need for perfectly sculpted eyebrows. With multiple shades, stencils, and tools, it's ideal for creating various brow looks. If you're a beginner or a brow enthusiast wanting a versatile and complete solution, this set is for you. What people say. The makeup kit includes a wide range of colors for eyeshadows, blushes, and lipsticks, offering versatility for different looks. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to carry around. Each product within the kit is formulated with high-quality ingredients, ensuring smooth application and long-lasting wear. Number 3. Miss Rose M All-in-One Full Makeup Kit. Introducing the Miss Rose M All-in-One Full Makeup Kit. This multi-purpose set is perfect for everyone, from beginners to professionals. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this kit has everything you need. Achieve any look you desire with this comprehensive collection. Experience professional-grade makeup that's incredibly easy to use. This kit simplifies your beauty routine without compromising on quality. Designed for your busy lifestyle, this makeup set is incredibly easy to carry. Look and feel your best wherever you go, all in one compact package. Discover the ultimate all-in-one makeup kit. It provides a versatile range of products to meet all your beauty needs in a single, elegant black case. What we like? This makeup kit is designed for ultimate convenience, packing a wide range of products into one easy-to-carry case. It's perfect for those who want a complete makeup collection without the clutter. If you're a beginner or a traveler who needs a go-to makeup solution, this all-in-one kit is a fantastic option. What people say. The eyeshadow palette has a great color selection and the pigments are really good. I love the variety of brushes included, they are soft and apply makeup smoothly. The packaging is sturdy and keeps everything organized, which is perfect for travel. Number 2. Hot Sugar All-in-One Makeup Set. Discover the ultimate makeup collection designed for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set has everything you need to create stunning looks. This all-in-one kit includes a versatile eyeshadow palette, vibrant blush, and luscious lip gloss. Achieve any look you desire with ease. It also comes with high-quality brushes for seamless application and a handy mirror for touch-ups on the go. Everything is conveniently packaged in one stylish set. Specially curated for both adults and young girls, this makeup set makes a fantastic gift. It's the perfect starting point for anyone exploring the world of beauty. Presented in an eye-catching pink leopard print case, this set is as stylish as it is functional. It's a beautiful addition to any makeup collection. What we like. This makeup set is perfect for adults and girls alike, offering a fun and accessible introduction to makeup. It includes essential items like eyeshadow, blush, and lip gloss, along with a handy mirror. If you're looking for a playful and easy-to-use starter kit, especially for younger users or as a fun gift, this is a great pick. What people say. This makeup kit is a great value for the price, offering a wide range of colors and products suitable for various looks. The packaging is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry around for touch-ups throughout the day. The quality of the eyeshadows is impressive, with highly pigmented shades that blend beautifully and last for hours without creasing. Number 1. Joyeee All-in-One Makeup Gift Set. Discover the ultimate all-in-one makeup collection designed for effortless beauty. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning looks, wherever you go. From flawless foundation to vibrant lipsticks and captivating eyeshadows, this set provides a full spectrum of high-quality cosmetics. It's your complete beauty arsenal in a convenient package. Housed in a stylish and practical makeup bag, this kit is perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. Keep your favorite products organized and accessible at all times. Experiment with a variety of shades and textures to craft countless makeup styles. Whether it's a natural daytime look or a dramatic evening glam, this set empowers your creativity. Surprise the makeup enthusiast in your life with this luxurious and versatile gift set. It's the ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Experience the convenience and quality of this all-inclusive makeup kit. It's designed to make your beauty routine simpler and more enjoyable. What we like. This is a truly comprehensive makeup gift set, featuring a wide array of products from foundation to eyeshadow, all housed in a stylish makeup bag. It offers a vast selection of colors and formulas for endless looks. If you desire a complete, curated collection for yourself or as a generous gift, this all-in-one set with its included bag is an excellent choice. What people say. The makeup kit includes a wide range of eyeshadows, blushes, lipsticks, and applicators, offering versatility for various looks. The packaging is compact and travel-friendly, making it convenient to carry around. The pigments are highly saturated and blendable, providing smooth application and vibrant color payoff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.